In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can join Midjourney server. You guys are watching How to Guide, where we post guide videos to help you guys guide you through the problem on fixing it. Now, before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. So for those people who do not know what Midjourney is, a small description of Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI which can create image out of text. You can write any text you want and it'll create an image out of the text. That is what Midjourney is. Now to join Midjourney, now for people who do not know, Midjourney is a Discord AI. So you need to have a Discord account. So what you can do is go to Discord login. Once you search for Discord login, the first option over here, click on it. It'll take you to the official website. Once you're over here, click on open Discord in your browser. Once you click on it, it'll ask you to log in into your Discord account or create an account if you don't have. If you create an account and after creating an account, log in into your Discord account, it's going to open up like this. Now once you're inside your Discord account, what you want to do is open up a new tab, and on the new tab you want to go to this website called midjourney.com, or you can just search for Midjourney only like this. Alright, once you search for it, first option Midjourney, click on it. Once you do that, it'll bring you to its website, and once you're in its website like this, you can see the sign in button, click on it. Once you do that, if you have logged in into your Discord on the browser, it'll automatically connect with your Discord. Now wait for some time, I will show you how it connects automatically. Now just click on authorize and wait for some time. It's going to take a bit of time and it should work just like this. Once you see this, it means it has connected with your Discord. As you guys can see, it is on my Discord server over here. So that's how you guys can join Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.